Hi everyone, my name is Lab2. I'm one of the TA for Comment 331. So for this hint video, I'm going to go over how to launch Mars. Some of you have been having troubles with it. So first we'll navigate to the folder which we have the Mars downloaded. For example, in my computer, it's in this folder. You can see the Mars here. So if you are using a Windows system, just type CMD and enter. So it will launch the command prompt. Here you can enter java minus jar and the file name. That would be the Mars program. So as you see, this should launch your Mars program if you are having issues launching it by a double click. So let me just open the Lab2 code. Yeah. So in the Lab2 code, you are supposed to write the code to encode Unicode characters in UTF-8 format. So as you can see, the code you're supposed to write, it should be in this place. So here first we are loading the test case. That test case would be defined here. So these are all different UTF-8 Unicode characters. For example, the first one is a null, second one is a $sign. So these are all the hex format of that Unicode character. And then after we load the character into the register, we are supposed to write the code to encode it in UTF-8 format. So what is UTF-8 format? So in UTF-8 format, we have some extra padding in the bits so that we can uniformly send it across any kind of communication systems. So for example, all the Unicode characters which comes within this range, that is 00 to 7F, will be padded by one extra 0 bit, and then we have the following 7 bits. That's because 7F requires only 7 bits to be represented in any system. So if you type here 7F, you can see the binary representation is only 7 bits. 4 bits 1 and then again a 3-bit 1. So if you add a 0 in front of this, so this character is now UTF-8 encoded. So let's go over some UTF-8 encoding here. So let's look at 7F's UTF-8 encoding. Yeah, as you can see, 10 is added to the beginning of the binary representation of 7F. That is a UTF-8 encoding for Unicode 7F. Now let us look into another Unicode character in this range. That would be A3. So as you can see, A3 is represented by 8 bits. Okay. So to encode A3 into UTF-8 encoding, we write the 8 bits, we add some padding zeros. So now we have 11 bits. Okay. So what we do, we split this into 6 bits plus 5 bits. Okay. And then we pad these with these extra characters, which is in the UTF-8 format. That is 110 followed by the first 5 bits and then 10 followed by the next 6 bits. So that will be the all 11 bits required for encoding A3. So this is the UTF-8 encoding for A3. So the hex value for that would be C2A3. Even the hex value for this one would be A3. In the lab format, we can see that when it prints out, it prints both the hex code for the UTF-8 encoding as well as the normal Unicode. So suppose if you look at here, right, 80. 80 is encoded as C280. That would be the hex representation for this binary string. So similarly, we can do this for all the other bits. So for example, if you look at the last one, we have a total of we have 21 bits. So in that, we first record the first 6 bits, padded with a 10, and then we have the next 6 bits, padded with a 10 again, and then the next 6 bits, padded with a 10 again, and then we have the last 3 bits, that is padded with 11110. So when we use, we have to use the different techniques taught in the class to shift and get the registers, get the least significant bits, put it into a register, get the most significant bits, put it into another register, and combine them to make this encoded character, which is padded with some extra bits. So when we look at when we have to do the condition check for checking if it is in this range, when we go into the higher ranges, we might run into issues because it will start considering it as a signed integer if you are using the normal SLE operation. So it's better to use the unsigned version of that, so that the set less than operator works normally, and it considered it as an unsigned operator. So the quick hint for this second lab 2 part 2. If you have any more questions, please reach out to us during our office hours. And good luck. Thank you.